Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today we will learn how we will print this pattern. In the last video, I told you how we can print this right triangle. If you haven't watched the last video, you should watch it from this link. Okay, so let's dive into it. From the last video, we know that I indicates row number and J indicates column number. So what is the pattern behind this? When I is 0, that means the first row J equals to 5. Okay, we know that this is 0 and J is going up to 5. That's why J equals to 5. In the second row, that is first index, J is 4. Similarly, when I is 2, J is 3, this is 3, 2, 4 and 1. What is the pattern here? We can see that 0 plus 5 gives us 5. The sum gives us 5. So this is our equation. I plus j is always equals to 5. Let's see how we can code this. We know our outer loop is for row and inner loop is for columns. So first I will take a for loop that is for I in range. Let's say we are going up to 5. We need 5 rows. Okay. And this, since this loop is for rows, this loop will print columns for j in range. And what is the range? We know I plus j equals to 5. Then j should be equals to 5 minus I. So the range will be 5 minus I. Okay, then what we will do is at every value of j we will be printing asterisk, and we don't want to bring the cursor to the next line, so we will end it with nothing. So the cursor will remain at the given line. Okay, and after printing our entire row, when this will end, we need to go to next line. So here it is. So this is the same code I have written in VS Code. Let's try to execute it. We can see we got our correct answer. If you want, you can end it with space to get a better visual. See, I have another method to implement this same code by using just one for loop. Let's look into it. Instead of using nested for loop, we can also do a single for loop. How? For I in range 5, we will be print asterisk and we will multiply. Keep in mind this is a string and this will be an operation. We will be multiplying this asterisk with 5 minus I. Okay, and we will close this. This will result in the same output. So this is the alternative for that code. Let's execute it. We can see we got the same answer. We can also print this right triangle using this method. There also we use nested loops, but this can be executed by just one for loop. What we will do is we will print asterisk and we will multiply it with I. Okay, if we edit our code, we'll see we got this right triangle. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. Remember to keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.